Welcome back to Ubalde Official. If you are using a ChatGPT but only asking simple questions, you are missing out in some of its most important features. Yes? Today, I'm going to show you 10 powerful ChatGPT commands and prompts that can help you study fast, create content, solve problems, and become more proactive or productive. Yes, let's get started. Number one of the most important is command called act as. Yes, number one is act as. Instead of asking general question like tell ChatGPT who you want it to be. For example, act as cyber security expert and explain phishing attacks, or act as professional YouTube strategist and help me to grow my YouTube channel. The more specific the law can be, the better answer. Number two is explain like I'm 10. Yes. Sometimes AI gives you answers that are too much complicated. Try this. Explain cloud computing like I'm 10 years old. This is for ChatGPT to simply complex topics into easy to understand language. This is perfect for students and beginners. Number three is compare. Want to choose between tools or products? Use compare. For example, compare ChatGPT and Gemini AI. Compare Android vs iPhone. Compare Windows vs Linux. ChatGPT can create tables, highlight pros and consequences, and help you make better decisions. Number 4 is summarize. Command summarize is that don't want to read long articles. I use summarize. This is article in 5 bullet points, or summarize this PDF in simple English. This can save you a lot of time. Number 5 is rewrite. Need better writing? Use rewrite this professionally, or write this in simple English. You can improve email assignments, social media posts, and more things. Yes. Number 6 is translate command. ChatGPT can translate between many languages. Example, translate this from Kinyarwanda to English, or translate this from English to French. Very useful for students, creators, and professionals. Number 7 is command create. Need content quickly? Use create YouTube script about artificial intelligence, or create business plan for small startups. ChatGPT can generate structured content in seconds. Number 8 is brainstorm command. Here you need ideas. Yes. You should use brainstorm 50 YouTube video ideas about technology, or brainstorm 20 businesses idea for students. This is one of the best way to overcome creative blocks. Number 9 is analyze. Need feedback? You use analyze my YouTube channel strategy, or analyze why this video is not getting views. ChatGPT can identify strength, weakness, and areas for improvement. And number 10 is step-by-step guide command. This is one of my favorites. Instead of asking general question, ask give me step-by-step guide to learn cybersecurity. That's an example. Or another second example is give me step-by-step guide to start a YouTube channel. You will receive structured plan that is much easier to follow. Here are the bonus prompt that combine several techniques. For example, this is an example. So, act as professional YouTube consultant. Analyze my niche. Suggest 20 video ideas. Create titles, timeline concept, and upload strategy. This is type of detailed prompt often produce much better results than simple questions. So, these are top 10 powerful ChatGPT commands and prompts everyone should know. Remember, the quality of your results depends heavily on the quality of your prompt. The better you ask, the better ChatGPT answers. Which of these commands do you use the most? Let me the comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notification bar so you never miss future AI and technology tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you. Ubalde official, source of technology and education. Subscribe and stay connected.